Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing chess. It's a very fun game, brain memory video, and it is very challenging. I played this with my dad before and it was like a very long time. So I'm going to say the names and then explain the rules. So this is the pawn, the weakest one you can get. This is the rook. This is a knight. It doesn't look like a knight. It's a horse that has like something on its head and its back. Smooth things. This is the bishop. It's the one that has a sword face without the eyes and nose, just mouth. Queen. This is the queen. It has a queen hat on it that has a queen crown that has like dot on it, big bowl or dot, whatever. And then here is the king, the one that has a hat on it. The one that has like a Jesus cross. So the goal is to kill their king. So if like for example, if one of them is like right here, like if the queen's right here and king's right here, you say check. If the king can't go anywhere else, then you say checkmate. Checkmate means to warn their person that they can't do anything. And so once you say checkmate, you just gotta do this. That means your king's that different evil. Okay, and no one can go over people except the knights, of course. Yeah. Okay, so let's dive into it.
So, what does the pawn do?
The pawn only goes forward 1 or 2 spaces, but once it does the 1 or 2 spaces, it only goes only one more space.
Oh, okay. So what do these other pieces do?
So this one can go forwards, sideways, backwards, and yeah. The knight goes like this. So 1, 2, and then sideways. The bishop only goes diagonal, but it has to be on its own color. The queen can go any direction except it can't do this. Wee. Go in circles and do this. Pow, 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 pow. King can only go 1 space. Any direction, but only 1 space. And yeah, so this is on black, has to go on black, go down on black, and let's dive into it.
Okay, I'm ready. Who goes to go first?
Well, it matters what side you want, so you don't do rock, paper, scissors, sky bubble, or anything. The white always goes first. I repeat, always goes first.
So if I do this, can I do another 2 jumps?
No, you can only go 1 jump. After that.
After the first 2. Okay.
What do? No, I do not want to move my king. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, now, just so you know, I don't think you're not can do this. I don't think you're not can do that. Yeah.
Oh wait, wrong one. Oh no, wait, that's right. I want to do that.
Yeah. I think you're up to something. I think you're up to something. Whatever. Hey, he. Whoa! No, it's kidding. You can't attack sideways. Right, guys, I think it's a great time to end this video right here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like down below, and don't forget hit the notification bell. Bye!